Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode on your AYANEO Pocket S2 Pro. In order to do it, simply slide down from the top of your screen, slide down again, and slide down again until you see this. Now you'll see Do Not Disturb button. You can turn it on or turn it off. But if you don't see it anywhere on this list, anywhere on any of these pages, then you'll need to click on the edit button. Now below this list, there will be another list of tiles that are not added into your menu. Like for example, I can drag Do Not Disturb down here to remove, and if I go back, there's no Do Not Disturb now. And if I edit it again, add the Do Not Disturb back into the menu. Let's place it here as it was. Let's go back. You can see it is there. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.